Hey guys, Brandon with Be Clean. As you can see, I'm out here cleaning. I got my pump out here. I just did this carpet over here. It's a pet cleaning, total move in, move out. Did the windows and all that. Got everything wiped down, total top to bottom. We did the fridge, pull out the fridge, clean behind it, cleaned all the dust and everything good. So, but my main focus is my carpet cleaner, okay? We're selling this stuff now, okay? You go on our website, you write it down, you go right to the bottom of the page, hit the book now button, go to the bottom of the page and you can go ahead and get the solution. Now, I just told you, I cleaned the carpet. I had some left over. I said, you know what? Customer didn't ask for this. This just get mopped up. All it is dirt sitting in there. It's a texture surface. So it's dirt piled up on there. So you know what? I took my carpet cleaner, all right? It's a carpet, tile, and grout cleaner, okay? Safe for natural fibers, okay? And this is what I just wanted to show you guys. All right, so that's that area there. And this is the carpet cleaning pad on here too. All right, this is my carpet cleaner. Look at that. Look how bright that spot is, all right? Now, normally on this type of flooring, this is like a glue down, stick down tile. I would take our CRB, all right, counter rotating brush, and I would spray it, get it real drenched up, and then I would hit it with our, hit it with the CRB, and that'd just pull all this stuff up, get all the dirt up. But I had some left over. Like I said, the customer didn't ask for this. So I'm going a little bit above beyond just to give them that wow factor. And I had some left over, so you know, why not? Why not? Why let it sit? This solution, you do want to use it within 48 hours, so it's still at its full strength. And as you can see, I'm using my orbiter, guys, okay? I'm using my orbiter on this job because we're in Midtown, which is in Harrisburg, and it's very tight. Parking is very limited. So sometimes it's good to have these extra tools. I mean, look at that area right there. I just hit. I'll do a nice little square for you. Okay, it's tight down here. It's tight, it's real hard to park. So we have our trailer in the van. It's easier just to get it this way. So just check that out, all right? Look, you can see how bright it is. And look at that, all that dirt is up, okay? Like I said, the customer didn't ask for this, but this is where we go above and beyond. Other people are like, you know what, I'm not touching it because I'm not getting paid for it. Well, you know what, I have the extra stuff. Why not go the extra mile here? Give my customer that wow factor, okay? And get this floor is good. Plus, I'm a floor guy anyway. All right, don't get me wrong. I love cleaning. I do a great job, but I love these floors. I mean, just look how it's coming up. All right, and like I'm saying, I'm showing you because this stuff works. Okay, it's safe for kids. It's safe for pets. All right, it's safe to just lay it around. Okay, and I'm not working that hard. All I'm doing is put my pad on. We're going to try to find some pads for you guys. Get a vendor that can hook us up with some pads. Any vendors watching this video, feel free to reach out to me. You can get our pads too, all right? The pads that I'm using here. You can clean like a pro. My cleaner is called the Peace Cleaner, okay? All right, so it's called the Peace Cleaner, all right? So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get that out here, just showing you what I'm gonna do. And then simply, I got my microfiber mop here. I'm just gonna go around with my microfiber mop right here. I got her, and look at that floor now. Oh my goodness. Now, I can't use the mop too much. You see it's really heavy on here, so I'm gonna get some rags, wipe it up. I'm gonna finish it up and clean it clean it with some rags, and I'm gonna finish it with a mop here. But just wanted to show you, like I said, you know, we can get you clean, all right, at an affordable price. Give us a call, let us know, and we'll like to help you. This is Brandon with Be Clean, and go ahead and try to get that Peace Cleaner.